Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the 9 Miles review of a classic camping product. Thought I'd review it since it's such a classic. It's the Coleman Camp Stove Toaster. This thing gets 3.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon with 28 customer reviews. The price is only $7.29. Easily folds for compact storage. Convenient toasts 4 slices of bread at once. Steel with chrome plate finish. So this product has been used before, but brand new. This is chrome. And let me just show you how hot this thing is, because I touched it like it was on for a few, like just less than a minute, and I touched it and it burned my finger. Super, super hot. You do not want to touch this. Alright, so it's been on for, I would say, almost 5 minutes, and I turned up the heat a little bit. But I'm just going to flip them because it is drying out on the other side. Alright, so there you have it, folks. Left it on for another about 3 minutes. I turned it up to almost high heat, and you can see it's a little bit, getting a little bit brown right here, but it is crispy. I'll show you. And you can hear that. Definitely working. But you do have to turn it up pretty high to get it to toast. But you can see it getting a little bit toasted right there. So this is a classic camping product. Just wanted to review it. Just kind of, it's nostalgic for me. Used to go camping quite often. So it's a Coleman Camp Stove Toaster. It's only $7.29 with Prime shipping. So I definitely recommend this product if you want to make toast on your camp stove. So thanks for watching my videos.